Good day, sir. We are the Group 6 presenting Understanding Diverse User Needs. So first, what are user needs? User needs refers to user desires, goals, preferences, and expectation when they interact with a product or service. By identifying and addressing user needs, UX designer can create relevant, usable, and possible solution for the target audience. So alam nyo, sobrang importante ng user needs. Kapag gumagawa ka ng isang website or app, kailangan mong malaman kung ano gusto ng users, ano ang inaasahan nila, at kung paano nila gagamitin yung product mo. Kunwari, kung gusto ng users ng mabilis na navigation, dapat simple lang yung menu at madaling makita yung importanteng sections. Tapos kung target mo yung mga taong laging on the go, dapat responsive yung design para maganda siya sa mobile devices. Sa ganitong paraan, ina-address mo yung needs ng users at mas malamang na magugustuhan nila yung product mo sa service mo. It's also influence yung mga major decisions tulad ng kung anong features ang ilalagay mo at paano mo ito i-layout. Next is importance of considering diverse user needs in product design and development. Number 1, inclusivity. Products that cater to a broad range of abilities and backgrounds are inherently more inclusive. By designing with diversity in mind, businesses can serve users from different age groups, cultures, abilities, and socio-economic statuses. Pag sinabi nating inclusive ang isang produkto, ibig sabihin ay para ito sa maraming tao, anuman ang kanilang edad, kultura, kakayanan, o estado sa buhay. For example, kung gagawa ka ng isang mobile app para sa isang negosyo, dapat isaisip mo na hindi lang ito para sa mga bata o tech-savvy, kundi pa rin sa mga matatanda o sa mga taong hindi masyadong pamilyar sa teknolohiya. To be inclusive sa design ay nakakatulong para hindi ma-alienate ang ibang potential users at masiguradong lahat ay pwedeng makinabang sa produkto. Second is accessibility. It's a critical component of product design that directly impacts users with disabilities. Considering diverse needs helps in creating products that are usable by as many people as possible, including those with visual, auditory, physical, speech, cognitive, and neurological disabilities. For example, isipin mo na lang kung gumagawa ka ng isang website para sa isang government service. Kung inclusive at accessible ang design, gagawin mo itong madaling basahin para sa mga matatanda. May option na may text-to-speech para sa mga may problema sa paningin at may closed caption para sa mga bingi. Sa ganitong paraan, sigurado ka na lahat ng tao ay pwedeng magamit ang website mo, kahit anong sitwasyon nila sa buhay o anumang kakayahan nila. Third is broader market reach. Product design with diverse user needs in mind have a greater potential market. By accommodating a wider audience, companies can expand their customer base significantly. This approach not only taps into markets that might be underserved but also prevents potential alienation of customers who might feel overlooked by mainstream product design. Isipin mo ang isang kumpanya ng sapatos na nagdidisenyo ng mga sapatos para sa lahat, kabilang ang mga may malaking sukat ng paa o mga may kapansanan. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi lamang nila pinapalawak ang kanilang merkado, pero sinisigurado rin nilang walang mararamdamang left out dahil sa hindi nila mahanap ang tamang sukat o disenyo para sa kanila. Fourth is improve usability and satisfaction. When products are designed to meet the needs of a diverse user base, they generally offer better usability. This is because such designs are tested and refined to work well across a variety of scenarios and needs, leading to high user satisfaction and loyalty. Improved usability often translates into better customer retention and positive word of mouth, which are critical for business success. For example, isipin mo ang isang smartphone na mayroong accessibility features tulad ng voice commands para sa mga bulag o may kapansanan sa paningin. Kapag mas madaling gamitin ng mas maraming tao ang produkto, mas maraming tao ang magiging masaya at magiging loyal na customer. Ito rin ang magreresulta sa mga rekomendasyon mula sa mga satisfied na customer na makakatulong sa paglago ng kumpanya.
Number 5. Innovation. Incorporating diverse perspectives and needs can lead to innovative solutions that may not be discovered if only narrow user base had been considered. Diversity drives creativity and can result in unique product, feature, or entirely new product. This innovation can set a company apart from its competitor. Example, isang kumpanya na nagpaunlad ng software na nakatuon sa paglihaan ng isang bagong mobile app para magmamahala ng personal charity. Number 6. Risk reduction. Designing with diversity in mind help reduce the risk of product failure and is constantly redesigned after launch by identifying and addressing potential issues early in the design process. Companies can avoid inclusivity oversight that could lead to negative publicity or legal challenges. Example, fashion companies introducing a new line of clothing without considering others aspects for their design process. Number 7. Corporate social responsibility. Demonstrating a commitment to diversity and accessibility can enhance the company reputation and align with corporate social responsibility goals. Consumers are increasingly looking to support brands that prioritize ethical consideration in their business practices, including inclusivity and fairness. Example, my multinational technology company implement a diversity and collaboration program with its employee, ensuring representation from various backgrounds in hiring and decision-making processes. Number 8. Legal and ethical compliance. Many regions have law and guidelines around accessibility and non-discrimination. Designing products with these requirements with mind from the start is more efficient and help avoid legal complications. Legally, is right approach to ensure fairness and equal access for all users. Example, a company create a new online shopping website, ensuring accessibility and adhering to legal regulation.
So dito naman tayo sa type ng diverse user needs. So meron tayong cultural diversity, linguistic diversity, age diversity, and accessibility needs. Cultural diversity. Cultural diversity encompass the unique custom, beliefs, values, behaviors, and norms that distinguish one group of people from another. These distinctions manifest in various aspects of life, including language, religion, cuisine, social interaction, family structure, and perceptions. Sa Pilipinas, iba-iba ang mga kultura depende sa region. Sa Luzon, ang wika ay Tagalog o Ilocano. Sa Visayas, Bisaya o Cebuano. At sa Mindanao, Maranao o Tausug. Kahit magkaiba ang wika, nagkakaisa pa rin ang mga Pilipino sa mga pangunahing pagdiriwang katulad ng Pasko at Fiesta. Ngunit ang paraan ng selebrasyon ay maaaring magkaiba tulad ng Pasko, kung saan sa ilang bahagi ng bansa mas tradisyonal ang mga pagkain tulad ng lechon, habang sa iba mas makabago na ang handaan. Linguistic diversity. Linguistic diversity is a broad term used to describe the difference between different language and the ways that people communicate with each other. So for example, sa Pilipinas, merong higit na 180 na wika. Ang pangunahing wika ay Tagalog, pero sa iba't ibang rehiyon ginagamit ang Ilocano, Bisaya, Cebuano, Waray, Hiligaynon at marami pang iba. Kahit parehong Pilipino, nagkakaiba-iba paraan ng pag-uusap, depende sa rehiyon o grupo. Halimbawa, maaaring magkaiba ang paggamit ng mga salita o expression sa Luzon kumpara sa Visayas, kaya't kailangan ng mga tao na maging flexible at open sa iba't ibang uri ng communication.
Age diversity, a term used to describe the differences in age among people in a group organization. Dito yung baby boomers, age of 55 and 75 years old, and Generation X, age 14 to 16 years old, Millennials, age 20 to 14 years old. Generation Z is the youngest group, age 18 to 25 years old. Accessibility needs. Persons with a disability is afforded the opportunity to acquire the same information, engage in the same interaction, and enjoy the same services as a person without a disability in hand, equally effective and equally integrated manner with substantially capabilities of use. Example, a website for online shopping platform can basically navigate with minimal font and low contrast, but by combining accessibility features like screen reader compatibility and font adjustment, users with disabilities can also access the site. Thank you for listening.